Students, today we are going to do the chapter Reach for the Top. As you see, the plot of the story Reach for the Top is a biographical story that tells us about the lives of two great women, Santosh Yadav and Maria Sharapova. It celebrates the achievements of these two strong ladies who achieved success despite hardships. One thing common between these two was that they defied all odds to pursue their passion and succeeded in it. Now we are going to discuss about two ladies in the story. One is Maria Sharapova, another is Santosh Yadav. Both the ladies they have got success in their lives but after struggle. And though through Reach for the Top summary, student they will learn how hard work and determination can help you go a long way. If we are hardworking, if we are firm in our decision, we can it could be helpful for us to achieve our goal. Moreover, it also shows us that in order to achieve deep success in our life, we require determination, training, and sacrifice. It shows us the path of success is not easy, but the results are surely sweet and satisfying. Success cannot easily be gained, or everybody knows, but after working hard, after struggle, its fruit is always very much sweet. So, this chapter serves as an inspiration, as motivation for the students, those who are looking forward to pursue their dreams and walk the path of success. So let us see what is there. So first of all, we are going to discuss about the part 1, that is the life story of Santosh Yadav. Santosh Yadav was born in a wealthy landowners family in Rewari, Haryana, district of Haryana. She was the youngest child, a sister of 5 brothers. Due to the traditional methods or traditional ways or orthodox views, she was forced to study in the village only, in the village school, in the government schools. Since childhood, she was very bold, but she opposed these customs and she started wearing shorts in opposition to the traditional dresses in the village, that is salwar kameez. In place of salwar kameez, she was wearing shorts when she was in the village even. So she was bold. At the age of 16, when other girls they used to get married in the villages, but she opposed this thing and she said, I won't go, I'm not going to get married, I shall study. And she decided, though the parents refused to support her, but she accepted the challenge and she boldly told her parents that if you won't provide me fund for school fee, I shall work on my own. And in this way the parents actually then they agreed to support her, and she went to higher school and she joined the Maharani College at Jaipur and lived at Kasturba hostel. Then she has she, even though she was born in wealthy landowners family, but still she was not provided that much facilities and all, and she herself decided to reach to the hostel, and there she studied hard. She saw the villagers climb the Araivali hills, and there she was curious to know what was at the other side of the hills. When she looked outside the window of the hostel that there are the villagers who used to go to that side, and she wanted to know what is on that side. And she joined a group of mountaineers there and hence undertook her first climbing expedition. On her own, she decided to took this mountaineers. She joined that group and she started climbing. And within 4 years, in 1992, she climbed Mount Everest. Her qualities of determination, physical and mental strength impressed the seniors, and the fellow climbers also they praised her a lot, and they found that she was concerned for others also in the group. She wanted to willingnessly, she was working hard. She was a good human being also because she shared the life of a fellow climber. His name was Mohan Singh. She shared her own oxygen cylinder with him. In this way, we can say she was very bold. She was, she was self-made girl. She studied hard. She herself joined this mountaineering and she climbed that Mount Everest. And she has human feelings also. and this shows the oxygen cylinder which she shared with others. Thank you. That's all for today. Tomorrow we shall do the next part of the chapter.